Kasi po, supposedly kayo po 1 month, hinayaan yung ganito. Of course, he's not absent without leave. Pero dapat naman po, you help us. You help this committee.
Motion that the House physician be directed to call on and visit Colonel Grijaldo and ensure that indeed, one, he needed confinement in a hospital. Two, that indeed he is suffering from a certain medical condition. And we will direct the House physician to ascertain this information. Now, before we rule, I allowed Chairman Fernandez to make a manifestation, and Congressman Abante also made this manifestation. Now, I will recognize Congressman Flores for the amendment to the motion.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yes,
Mr. Chair, I just
Flores.
would like to propose an amendment to the motion of Chairman Caraps, Mr. Chair, if he would agree, Mr. Chair, that we ask the PNP to also send their doctor, Mr. Chair, because I believe that if Colonel Grijaldo is incapacitated to appear before a committee hearing, then would he be in a physical capacity to serve as a colonel in the PNP? If that would prohibit him from serving in the PNP in that manner, Mr. Chair, then maybe the PNP should also determine his physical fitness to continue serving as an officer of the PNP, Mr. Chair.
Okay, that's noted. The amendment is to include the Philippine National Police Medical Director to likewise check on Colonel Grijaldo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, there's a motion as amended and duly seconded. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is carried. COMSEC, please coordinate with the House physician, and Philippine National Police is directed to likewise ask the PNP doctor to check on Colonel Grijaldo.
Mr. Chairman.
Yes, DS JJ Suarez.
Yes, can I just ask the good Colonel, General, sorry. Nabanggit niyo po kanina na personal pong pumunta si Colonel Grijaldo sa inyo para pumirma. Ano pong petsa nun?
Hindi naman po sa akin personal kasi may chief ng PIHAW kay Colonel Acosta. Siya po ang nagsusupervise doon sa checking ng kanilang attendance po.
Anong date po yun?
November 18 po, sir.
November
18.
18. So kung November 18 po yun, that would be around more or less a week or so ago. Tama?
Yes po, sir.
Mr. Chairman, the reason why I asked is because dito po sa unang sulat ng kanyang abogado, ang sinabi po niya dito ay naka-admit po siya sa ospital, kung hindi po ako nagkakamali. And suffering from left shoulder dislocation, TC slap tear. And this was issued by the Pasig Doctors Medical Center on November 11. And we have received another letter from their lawyer saying that Colonel Grijaldo is admitted at the Pasig Doctors Medical Center for the same issue, left shoulder rotator cuff syndrome and slap tear. And this is dated November 26. Mr. Chair, para naman po napakahirap paniwalaan na kung rotator cuff issue lang po ito, bakit ang tagal niyo po sa ospital? At sa sobrang tagal niyo po sa ospital, may kakayahan po kayo pumunta sa PIHAW para po personal na makapunta doon. Kaso lang, pagdating po sa hearing ng mga Quadcom, hindi po siya nakakadalo. So, I would wait for the report of our medical personnel as to the status of Colonel Grijaldo in Pasig Doctors Medical Center. And maybe once we find out the truth regarding Colonel Grijaldo, we can make the necessary motions. I just wanted to manifest that, Mr. Chair. Thank you very much.
Okay, salamat po,
Mr. Chair.
DSJJ.
Mr. Chair.
We are, the parliamentary status is that we are in the process of disposing of our admin matters. If this is in relation to that, I would beg the indulgence of Congressman Abante.
This is in relation to Colonel Grijaldo. Mr.
Okay,
Chair,
please
I'll be
continue.
allowed. I'd like to ask the NAPOLCOM about Colonel Grijaldo's attitude and absence, because it has been 1 month since he testified in the Senate about this. So, NAPOLCOM, will you please tell us?
Mr. Chair, if the police officer is unable to perform his duties, or he is not physically fit to perform his duties as a police officer, then he may be filed a case for incompetence, Mr. Chair. Or otherwise, he may also voluntarily file for permanent physical disability if he would want to claim pension by reason of his inability to perform his or physically function as a police officer, Mr. Chair.
You're saying, NAPOLCOM, that he can be charged with incompetence. That's what you're saying?
If he is no longer able to perform physically his functions, Mr. Chair, then that is a possible ground.
He's trying to hide, Mr. Chair. He's trying to hide from this committee. Of course, he cannot run in this committee's investigation, even if he try to hide. He might even be watching and listening right now. We do not even know. So I would like to ask the NAPOLCOM to actually tell us the recommendation over the absence of Colonel Grijaldo, which is already 1 month since he made a statement in the Senate, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Abante. Now we proceed with the admin matters. Yes, Congressman Paduano.
Lastly, Mr. Chairman, with regards to Grijaldo lang po. You mentioned about the leave, no, official leave of Grijaldo. That was, it will start November 25 to December 4.
Tama po, sir.
Okay, so that will be 9 days because of that special leave na 4, 3, 2 to 4. Tama?
8 days po, sir.
8 days, okay. Now, please, General, mamaya na po yan, please submit to this committee that official document that indeed you allow Colonel Grijaldo to have an official leave for 8 days. That's number 1 po. How about the previous? The previous medical certificates or medical checkups that was made by Grijaldo. Did he inform the police or the PIAO?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have the documents for him
Yes, Your
to
Honor.
request letter? Wag niyong i-antedate, ha? Oh, please submit to this committee because, as mentioned by Chairman Abante, almost 1 month na po. Pag-submit niyo po. Then the motion that was made, amended motion by Congressman Flores, yung medical officer po, dapat i-check siya. Kasi, Mr. Chairman, because of these 3 excuse letter, it's all about medical excuse. Mr. Chairman, if Colonel Grijaldo is making a mockery of this hearing and some police officers in collusion of Colonel Grijaldo, I will not hesitate to cite him in contempt in this committee and all those PNP officials involved to face cases doon po sa NAPOLCOM. Kasi po, supposedly kayo po 1 month, hinayaan yung ganito. Of course, he's not absent without leave. Pero dapat naman po, you help us. You help this committee. 3 hearing, wala siya. Under po sa PIAO.
Thank you.
I hope you submit those documents today, General.
If I may, sir.
Yes.
We are helping
Sandali
po, sir.
po. Can you submit those documents I mentioned today?
Yes, sir, we will submit po.
Or submit it today?
Yes, sir.
Please proceed.
We are helping the committee, sir, in this endeavor. Actually, sir, when you receive the notice that there is a Quadcom hearing for today, I canceled the leave for November 27, just for this purpose po, sir.
You cancel what?
The leave po, sir.
Your leave?
No, sir, the leave of Colonel Grijaldo.
Oh, so you cancel all the leaves.
Only for this November 27 po.
So, he's not on leave.
He's not, sir, because he...
Okay,
but
now, General, you check. Because the latest excuse letter of Colonel Grijaldo is dated ano po? November 23.
26.
Saan ba yun? Okay, November 26. But, that was 3 days ago. But, yesterday. But, eto, Jenna, please take note of this. But the date of the medical request of his doctor was dated 11/23/2024. Eh baka pati kayo, niloloko niyo na. Paki-check lang po.
yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Let me proceed. Can I proceed, Mr. Chairman?
Okay, please proceed.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.